Turtles, Grayskull Krang, alien brain, and a Megator android. In a mad science experiment gone wrong, Krang crosses dimensions and discovers the strongest power in the universe, the power of Grayskull. Now, with a stronger, faster Megator android body, Krang will stop at nothing until the power is his. There's a couple of things on the back of the box that Krang can do. And you can insert Krang into the Megator android and swap hands with an axe or mace. Let's go ahead and open him up. He is cross paths with Raphael. Do you see the red? Then when you open it up on the side, you're going to have to cut the tape, but when you pull it out, the side shows you how to change him up. It is real easy to pull out. And inside, here is a card, and on the back of the card, it says Krang, alien brain, and a Megator android. Mutagen master powers. Krang, genius alien warlord, master strategist, and tactician. Dimension X gadgets and tech. Megator, giant strength in an android body. Grows to giant size weapon augmentation. So this is the back of the card where I read all that. Then you kind of have like a visual instruction sheet. Here's this slithering little brain with his tentacles, brain that he is. Here's this thingy. There's the ox. Here is the Megator android. All right, before we take him apart and start doing things, let's check out his range of motion. This is the head and down, side to side. His arms go out, they go forward. His elbow twists and turns. Same thing with his hand. And then his feet twist and his calves twist. And then his legs bend. So you can bend his knees and he can sit or he can go for a run. Okay, so we are gonna take him apart. Just that simple. And it's just that simple to put them back together. But we want Krang in there. And so we're going to put Krang in here. Does this open? Oh, yes. So that opens. And then you can slide your brain in there. And then his little tentacles are going to come through the door there. I probably smashed this one, but here we go. Let me fix it. Fine, Krang, I'll fix it so your tentacle comes out the right thing. All right, there we go. So here he is. That's his little place. Then, oh, look, his belt thing comes off too, which, here you go. So see, that it's easy to put back on. Now we're going to attach Krang to the bottom half of his body, and he just snaps in. And now we are going to snap in the top part of the Megator droid, and now he's super tall. There's two ways we can use this axe. We can stick the axe here in his hand. You see how his thumb in between there and it holds it. Or we can take his hands off and they just pop out. And then you pop in the axe. Sorry, axe. And there he is with his weapons, his axe and this thing that just like does that. And then here are his two hands. Just as easily as I took his two hands out and put those in, you can take these out and replace his hands with them. So that is what he comes with. Krang, the alien brain in a Megator android body. And look at these weapons.